Prompt Engineering Training Session 51. Style Modifiers. Style modifiers are simply descriptors which consistently produce certain styles, e.g. tinted red, made of glass, rendered in Unity. 1. They can be combined together to produce even more specific styles. They can include information about art periods, schools, and styles, but also art materials and media, techniques, and artists. Example. Here are a few pyramids generated by DAL, with the prompt pyramid. Here are a few pyramids generated by DAL, with the prompt a pyramid made of glass, rendered in Unity and tinted red, which uses 3 style modifiers. Here is a list of some useful style modifiers. Photorealistic, by Greg Rutkowski, by Christopher Nolan, painting, digital painting, concept art, octane render, wide lens, 3D render, cinematic lighting, trending on ArtStation, trending on CG Society, hyper-realist, photo, natural light, film grain. Notes. Oppenländer et al. 1 describe the rendered-in descriptor as a quality booster, but our working definition differs, since that modifier does consistently generate the specific Unity or other render engine style. As such, we will call that descriptor a style modifier.